Hello guys, Matt Deals here. So for today, magsasagot lang tayo ng isang derivative problem, which is derivative ng x squared multiplied by cosine x. So kung matatanda natin yung product rule, so meron tayo diyang product rule na derivative of u multiplied by v is equal to copy the u multiplied sa derivative db plus copy naman si v and then multiply sa derivative ni u. So, meron tayong gantong rule. So, it's either way kung pwede tayo magkabaliktad kasi associative properties naman itong addition. So, ang gagawin natin dyan ay copy na muna natin si cosine x and then derivative natin si x squared plus si x squared naman yung i-copy and then derivative ni cosine x. So, dito sa part na to, i-copy natin si cosine x. And then, yung derivative ng x squared is meron tayo dyang power rule. So, pwede natin siya i-apply. So, it's resulting to 2x plus x squared. And then, ang derivative naman ni cosine x is we have the negative sine x. So, with that, itong 2x, pwede natin siyang ilipat sa front ni cosine x. So, magkakaroon tayo dyan ng 2x multiplied by cosine x. And then, ito, magkakaroon tayo ng negative x squared and then sine x. So, this is our answer for derivative ni x squared multiplied by cosine x. So, if you are looking for a math tutorial, just send a message to MathDeal and also join to our Discord community, which is the Engineers Guild PH. Thank you and see you sa mga susunod natin pang mga video.